DLN Kids TV. Today we'll be reviewing this toy here, which is a monster. It's not a truck, but it's like a scale of a super truck model.
Hello.
So this is gonna be fun.
Hello.
And join us in our journey of opening all these toys, but not today. And look in our other videos on our channels where we open all these other toys.
Yeah.
And this box looks like we have a truck and looks like some motorcycles there. And we see that wait. It's a new edition, so it's quite new, this one. And behind it, yeah, it just says power truck.
You see?
And under here,
You see it's a big truck there.
and then under here it says not for 3 years old. Don't do that.
But it's still, I'm 5 years old.
Yeah, that's true. And look, and all of these numbers here, I think you can collect more trucks than this, and then you can like, I don't know, but there's different numbers down here. Maybe there's like, I don't know, maybe it's like a different number code or something. So look, I can't wait to open this. There's motorbike, and this is like a tow truck. Let's open it. Yes! We're gonna open it.
Wait.
Wait.
Wow, that's a big monster truck.
Yeah.
We can't get it down.
Wait, I know how to. Drive
Do we need scissors? Oh, that.
Oh,
That's in my ears.
my goodness. Looks like you need scissors for this. They're like
Yeah.
stuck to,
And this,
Ouch.
that's fine. I'll get it.
they're stuck to like,
The monster
it's like a rope that's
Maybe
stuck
it's on
to.
this one. I'll put it back on.
Well, you broke it? What's wrong with you? You're not supposed to break it. Are you sure that's okay? I'm not sure of anything.
Oh.
Okay, we just need to cut some of these. No, I can do it.
Ooh. Wait,
I'm gonna do
I know. What white is the color of a rainbow?
No. What's wrong? Why isn't the color of a rainbow?
Wait, red is the first color of the rainbow, right?
No.
Yeah, this toy is impossible. You just look at it, I guess.
It is a model, so.
Fail.
Okay.
Okay, we will just sling this over there.
Noah thinks the color of the rainbow has red in it. It's
Yeah,
not true.
I know. Like the color of the rainbow, it has butterflies in it.
No. Just like my face on a rainbow, just like, yay.
You're always gloomy.
You're gloomy.
You're gloomy like this. Not this focus, okay?
Okay.
Okay. We can do this. Right?
You're laughing too much today.
You like my big arm?
Is that, imagine you could buy a toy that just has Noah's arm in it. Just like, Noah's arm toy. Now. Buy it now.
What's this?
Can I see? Is that it? Can I see? Oh, it's a black dot. It's very tiny.
Oh, I want it. Give me. You like my
It's mine.
And why my hand in the rainbow?
I don't know, what color is your hand?
You see? You like my teeth in rainbow?
What? White? I don't think white is in the rainbow.
No, white is not a rainbow. Yeah, but black is in rainbow.
Yeah, that's true.
Because the Mickey boxes, we can fold them away.
What is wrong with you? I'm gonna keep these here. Sorry.
Look, this video one.
motor right there. That's quite shiny.
Can I have one?
No, wait.
Let me have
Look,
one.
it's quite shiny. It has lots of shiny red color on it and lots of silver.
And this that it works anymore.
And looks.
Wait, did you want me to magic some more?
Yeah.
1, 2. Wait, pull. I want them.
Okay, you can show them. Okay.
Okay, here we have this blue one. The top one. It's the same as the white one, but it's blue. They got a monster truck down.
Is the color blue?
And we have this orange one. Is the color. Oh my goodness, how did that happen? That freaked me out.
Okay. So yeah, this one has like a bronze color. You can see.
No, that's not bronze. That's yellow.
Yeah, it's like a brownish silver.
I got a trick. Okay, so pull them out. Let's do this.
No,
I'm trying to.
So this one is like a bronze silver,
Beep.
and it's like the same as this one.
And this one.
Noah, put that down, please.
That's it.
Please, just do it.
Wait, I'm done.
And looks like it's quite,
Bronzy.
yeah, quite bronzy. Exactly what I was gonna say.
Okay, that one. Okay.
Now I have another one.
I showed that one.
It's like a diamond color.
That's like a bluish color. And the truck is
What?
red. See red?
Yeah.
Reddish reddish. Wait, how do we put this down?
No, wait, just no. I'll tell you.
Why
afterwards.
the
Just wait.
wheels are black?
Wait, did we cut all of them? No, there's still some more that's hanging.
That's fine. We have some. We magicked up these here.
And then this diamond color.
Blue
Okay, fine, you can take it.
Red. Which one can I get?
Take the red. I'll take the bronze.
That's
You
not
need to show
bronze.
them the blue one.
I did. Like the ready?
No, you didn't.
See, this is the blue one. It's the same as the other one, but it's blue. It's white.
No, it has like a diamond
It's
color on it.
blinding.
And then you see it's
My
the same as the others, just with a diamond
My
color.
boo. My boo. It's
Now-
not, see? It's like a
Are these
blue one,
stuck,
like,
Lily?
yeah.
Yeah, they're stuck together.
This is a look. This is a model. Oh no.
Yeah.
This is
That's-
I don't recommend trying this. This is just a model. Okay.
No, not really.
This looks the same. That's one very fast.
It's stuck together.
Well, I guess that's everything.
We could do the truck while we're waiting. So the truck is here. It looks like this car is a little bit ripped.
I did that.
Looks like-
What looks like the wheel?
They look real, I guess. So I guess it's like, you know, those arrows to point where they should stand. This is pretty much just a, wait, how did you?
What?
No, the other ones are just the same color. You can see that. It's pretty much just like an arrow to show you where you drive if it's broken. Then this is a huge truck.
Which is mine.
And then it says powerful truck
You know,
here.
because they can't jump outside.
Ooh, and it says power safety. You need safety for that.
Yeah. I don't like safety.
What's L? Ooh, actually under here.
It says nothing.
No, it's
I
really,
get a fly.
it's really not too much. But these are nice to, if you have if you have a place to put these, but you don't have a place to put your other toy cars, you can just put them up here. Wouldn't that be good? Yeah, and then
maybe yes.
wrong.
It can fall down when they're driving.
I say we do a challenge.
What? I want blue.
I'll take red. No, it has bronze. So the challenge is actually I'm not sure.
Jump.
No. The challenge is
To
what looks the
No, the challenge.
Nobody's like
The
a
challenge.
red
Who
ruby.
can reach that first? Which one goes? Oh,
You won. But if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell way out. Bye.